So today I'm going to show you how to use Early World of Learning. This is accessible through the student's Office 365 account, and then they'll have to go to Clever. When they click on Worldbook, they're then going to click on Early Learning. You can see right here it looks like a smiling globe. Once I click here, it'll take you through some different topics they want to learn about. These are all nonfiction information. So here you can see these are all animal homes, wild animals, creepy crawlies, sea creatures. So there's lots of different topics. I'm going to go to the end and I'm going to pick on tough trucks.
Tough trucks.
Once I click there, you can see these are all the different trucks that I can learn about. You can also go down.
Magnetic crane.
And you can see there's
Garbage
different
truck emptying trash.
videos that they can watch about trucks. There's also games that they can play about trucks. So let's say I go up here.
Snowplow.
And I want to read
Fire engine.
about a fire engine.
Fire engine.
To make it play, all you have to do is click right here on the speaker.
At the fire station, a loud alarm bell sound.
You can listen to the whole thing, and then they turn the page by clicking on these arrows. You can see they can click through and listen to all the different parts of the fire truck. To exit out, you click on the X right there, and then they can pick a different truck or watch a video.
Magnetic
to watch the video,
crane.
all you do is you click right on
Fire
it.
engine.
A fire engine carries fire.
And same thing with the games down below. All you do is click right on it, and then there's also stories and pictures
Maze.
and different
Coloring.
activities.
Cartoon bus.
Up on the top, you can see are all the different things that are available.
Videos.
If you just want to watch videos, you can click right there.
Games.
These are all the sea creature videos.
Terrific trees.
These are all the tree videos, so you can sort through that way.
Game.
There's also
Tracing.
games.
Tracing.
Again,
Insects.
tracing games.
True or false. Matching.
And they can click through here and pick if they want to play one of these games. Stories.
Stories.
These are stories the computer will read to them. These are going to be fiction stories. For the most part, there are some nonfiction mixed in as well, and these work the same way where you click on the speaker and you turn the page. And last, activities. These are going to be mostly things that you have to print out, either coloring or
print and do. Maze.
Get connected up, but these are going to be things that you need a printer to do. So that is Early World of Learning.
Birds and mammals and marsupials. Oh my.